Hey guys, just wanted to give y'all a quick update on this F7A Bowser Kato locomotive that I was working on. Decided to go with the New Haven paint scheme and decaling. It's number 2266. It's got all the grab irons from top to bottom, front to back, eye bolts. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. Runs pretty smooth. Got the MU hoses, some KD couplers. Got some more custom locomotives I wanted to show you guys. Let's see if we got. Here's a SLUG Jeep 7. It's road number 2405. It's custom built. It's got the eye bolts across the top, some exhaust stacks. Haven't had a chance to do any weathering just yet. That was a fun project. And next I've got a Indiana Harbor SD45T-2, road number 8792. It's got the 5-chime horn, brass horn, number boards, lenses. This one's a dummy. Got some decaling in the front along with the snow plow, all the grab irons in the front. A little bit of roof detail, not much. And here's the back, got a snow plow. It's got all the lenses. It's got the custom added brass grab irons. It's a pretty long locomotive. It's got the snoot nose in the front. Here is a L&N SW7 calf, road number 461. It's L&N gray with the yellow lettering. Haven't quite finished this one yet. Still work in progress. Just trying to have fun with it. Here is another SW7. This is the cow. It's got the sunshades, L&N gray. Road number 414. Still have to add some handrails, etc. A little more work. And here I've got a custom painted Bayline F7 locomotive, road number 493. This one took a little while. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I haven't added any details to it yet, just got the paint scheme down. That took a couple weeks. Next, I've got a custom built Athearn F7A, road number 171. It's got the cast iron snow plow in the front. It's got the red lenses along with the grab irons in the front, double headlight, grab irons. Some roof detail. eye bolts. Get a better look here. Still have to add some windshield wipers and do some more minor things to it. Still need to add some MU hoses. Other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. Here's a custom built, custom painted and decaled Jeep 50, road number 91, Norfolk and Western. Again, it's got the detailed horn, custom brass grab irons, MU hoses. Still got to do some weathering. There's got eye bolts, exhaust stacks, and that one right there is a dummy too. Here I've got another GP9 with dynamic braking SLUG, road number 11, Norfolk and Western. This one took a little bit of time. Added some lenses to the front, MU hoses, grab irons, all the usual. This one is powered along with the other SLUG. That one. And that one's custom built as well. I need to add a chain there to complete that. Here I've got a custom built Alco C630 high nose, road number 1133. It's got custom grabs in the front, some MU hoses, KD couplers, and at the back got custom grab irons. And this was a modified Athearn that I kind of toyed around with. Top comes off. You can see where I kind of manipulated the frame there to make it long enough. It was from just parts I had laying around. Standard Athearn motor. And my shell fits on just like that. Thanks for watching, guys.